Hello guys, and welcome back for another Q&T price prediction analysis video. And on today's update video, I will be giving you reasons why I'm expecting a bit of a short-term pullback here on the Q&T chart, giving you Fibonacci key areas of support that you need to pay attention to, and above all, take a look at the weekly chart, giving you my long-term perspective of the chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening. Here I have been observing an additive structure from the lows we made on the 7th of April, where you can see that we first peaked impulsively in the formation of that wave 1, saw a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, then we started a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 in a move that has now given us a high above the 77.6, and the minimum target areas for that wave 3 were given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave. And on so doing, you can see that my minimum target area, which was on the fib level 1.618, and that was above the 77.6 mark, has been fully maximized. And that means that there's a very high chance that we now have a high in place in the formation of these wave 3, and a pullback is now imminent in the formation of these edge wave count 4, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, and on so doing I get a minimum target area for the wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that is between the 69.9 and the 71.7 mark, and that is the red target area that I have marked here on the charts, and that is an area that I'm expecting QNT is going to fully maximize in the next coming hours, continue holding within the area since the area should act as support, and then give us a reversal to the upper side, starting an impulsive bounce in the formation of that wave 5. And the minimum target areas for the wave 5 can be given by connecting the fib extension once again from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of that wave 3, and on so doing the area that I will be paying attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 83.4 mark, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming days. So on the short term, I'm expecting a bit of a pullback into this area over here between the 69.9 and the 71.8 mark. Taking a look at the weekly chart, I still maintain that QNT is one of the few coins that are going to give us a new all-time high in this bull market, and I still maintain that from the lows we made back in 2022, which was our bear market low, we saw a very impulsive bounce over here, giving us a high above the 229 mark, completing the formation of these edge wave count 1. Then we started a pullback in the formation of these larger edge wave count 2, whose minimum target areas were between the 133.9 mark and the 62.4, an area that we have not fully maximized, and there's a very high chance that a low is now in and a bounce is now imminent in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave, and on so doing the area that I will be paying attention to in the formation of that wave 3 lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 357.8 mark, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming weeks. Expect a wave 4 pullback, then continue pushing even higher to new all-time highs in the formation of that wave 5. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting QNT to follow on the short term and also on the long term, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.